Swajina Katamanso abanyoko NDC wonum akache fibra sansa traye eba omrahye bedwam no wo mo na tie adwaso wo omrahye bedwam ya mpanimfo kyerese wasesa wo mo de mpanimfo foforo be sha nan no na wonte won ho ansesanse no wongidie ne se wosan kampanimfo no wo motena se edi nkita ho ansa na wotu wonum wo de yasontie ma na se mekọ bia ba wonum mu na NDC amanyoko ne mpanimfo wo mo ekabie wo mu na fresh mpanimfo no matena se achire omahu hia se wogya ma ne kanei wochire mu a amanyoko ne omo ade enti de wochire bia no wogya maka
NDC mrahye bedwafo a mre bia etwam na womobu afu ewon sakraye bia mpanyefo ye wodomkoma e wo mrahye bedwafie no ene wo moden sema ba betu dwabo mo ekire se sesei no magye opanyin no atum na omo ahyebosom be ye de ombetumi aye bia se de be ya opanyin ne so de hono ne adwumadie ebetumi awie peye na samrahye bedwafo yi ekire dia oye kire wo mo ye no na efi putupuru sakraye mpanyefo ye wo mo afa ne kwan so ene ye yinti ne nso sanse omo ne mpanyefo bia tena se edi nkomo no magye futuwo de afiri wo mo nchen nti no sesei o maye krado se omo de omachitai ema Dr. Atoforsen na wo enyo dansha mo bia koso wo mo ne che ema amanyoko no ne che ema cancer ne ntem ne ntino enti ase bia na nka eni ho no sese wo ma kyerɛkyerɛ mu ama ye atoye impo se enka na epanyina na nkoda donkuma ano ora Haruna Ijusu nhyamu yi wansi ase na babra ene mrahye bedwafie kwa asetena no ohunu Haruna Ijusu ene enka ne deputy minority leader se wo mo ewo asetena no ase Adom Kasee ma ne boni ohina mponsa ekupie mu wo mrahye bedwafie ene NDC mrahye bedwafo edi sankomo
and the right of the purpose to be consulted. I'm very happy that the national chairman has acknowledged the fact that this has been consistently raised.
Percent support to the new leadership. Honorable Haruna Ijusu, I've had some conversations with him, and he has indicated clearly that he would give his more than 100% support and urge all of us to support them. Well, that is the decision of the Council of Elders and also the party, so we need to respect that. We were not, being belligerent, if you like. We were demanding that things be done in a way that will be acceptable to all of us. So once the Council of Elders have resolved it in the manner they did, we absolutely agree and will respect that decision, and we will support this leadership to achieve the purpose for which the people of this country created us.
I'm just Asambana say a family this is a Democratic Party team. You are going to say the Bisa Hosa into Chumua Council of Elders at Dubai, party chairman, the party executive national at Dubai. I'm a Sisini Asomadi, Yangas Yajitu, Yangas, I'm a Korean Premtobre NDC for this 2024 Unipa. President Kufana Trufu says it's better you are a messenger in a ruling party than General Secretary in a party that's in opposition.